If you would like to know more about Lord Shri Krishna, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.
Please try to become independent. Spirituality teaches you to become independent. You don't need others to be happy. Not others means objects. You don't need objects. You can be happy without getting them. A person who's happy without having less or more facilities, without being entrapped by the facilities, is he more independent, or the person who's basically entrapped by the facilities is more independent? He is more independent. So spiritual knowledge makes you independent. What you want to become actually. All of us want independence in life. But are you independent? No. We are getting more and more dependent, right? People 40 years back were more independent than what people are today, right or wrong? Like the story goes, a person there were two friends. One of the friends went into in the city and started earning, and he comes back to his friend once, who's staying still in the village, and he's sitting under a tree and lying on his cot. He comes, he says, "Hey, what are you doing?" He says, "Why? What should I do? All your property." He says, then come to the city. So then, what should I do there? Open up few factories. Then, have few houses. Then, have few cars, and then you'll enjoy. He says, I'm enjoying now. Why should I go through all this and enjoy? Where is the enjoyment then? So actually, please, spiritual life makes you independent. Materialism makes you dependent. But that doesn't mean when you leave materialism, you'll become independent. Sorry, no. Spiritualism means that basically, you'll be satisfied within, as I gave you the example. It's not the food which will make you happy. You're happy. You have food, okay, good, great, nothing wrong. You don't get it, then also no problems. That's what Bhagavad Gita teaches in the beginning. It starts with this. If you get something, okay. You don't get something, okay.